Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you a free and easy to use driver installer. This installer will search your computer and find all the updated and out of date drivers, and you can install them easily. Just download the SDI Lite, Snappy Driver Installer Lite, and you can see the easy to use interface. Click this export mode and select newer, so it finds you any new version of driver that you need to install in your machine. So as you can see here, it has a huge database of driver, a list from all the vendors, and it searches and compares the version with what you have in your computer, and it lists them any new version which you need to install. For example, I have an out of date. You can install it. You can create a restore point and install this driver very easily. Check the box and click the install button, and it installs the software driver all in the background seamlessly. It even shows you the status, whether it has installed successfully or not. So everything happens in the background. So if you have a lot of drivers and you are worried that whether they are out of date, just use this tool, search and install the updates easily. If you like this video, subscribe.